How to customize a JavaScript spreadsheet ribbon bar control. In this video, we will build a fully customizable spreadsheet designer application using the Spread.js designer ribbon component, a powerful JavaScript spreadsheet UI control from Meshius. We will explore how to customize different parts of the designer component, including ribbon tabs, custom buttons, dialogues, drop-down controls, context menus, file menu panels, and status bar items. By the end, you will have a modern spreadsheet designer application with a fully customized user interface. First, open Visual Studio Code and launch a terminal window. Run the following command to create a new Vite application. npm create Vite at latest spread.js-designer-custom-sample. When prompted, select the vanilla framework and choose the JavaScript variant. After the project is created, navigate into the project directory and install the default dependencies. Next, install the required Spread.js designer packages and modules. Next, we will configure the basic HTML structure and import the required Spread.js designer ribbon packages into the application. Inside the index.html file, create a container element named designer host. This container will be used to render the designer ribbon component inside the browser window. We also reference the main.js file, which will contain the designer ribbon initialization logic and all future customizations. Next, open the main.js file and begin importing the required Spread.js modules, designer resources, style sheets, and optional spreadsheet features. The Spread.js designer ribbon package provides a familiar spreadsheet designer user interface, while the additional modules enable advanced functionality such as charts, shapes, printing, barcode support, PDF export, importing and exporting, pivot tables, table sheet functionality, language support, and slicers. We also import the required Spread.js and designer CSS files to apply the built-in spreadsheet and ribbon styling. At this stage, the project setup is complete and the application is ready for initializing the Spread.js designer ribbon component. Next, we run the application to verify that the Spread.js designer initializes successfully. The browser displays the default designer interface along with the sample worksheet content added in the previous step. With the designer successfully initialized, the application is ready for customization. In the following sections, we'll customize the Spread.js designer by adding custom commands, buttons, and other user interface elements to meet our application's requirements. Adding a custom ribbon tab. In this step, we customize the Spread.js designer ribbon by adding a completely new ribbon tab named Contact Us. Using the ribbon configuration array, we push a new tab object into the designer configuration before the designer instance is created. This demonstrates how developers can extend the default designer ribbon with application-specific tabs, commands, and information. Adding a custom ribbon button. Next, we create a custom designer command named Welcome and register it inside the command map configuration object. The command contains a custom execute function that displays an alert message when the button is clicked. After creating the command, we add it to the Home ribbon tab by creating a new button group. This demonstrates how custom commands and ribbon buttons can be integrated directly into the Spread.js designer interface. Edit the existing ribbon drop-down controls. In this step, we customize one of the built-in designer controls by modifying the existing font family drop-down command. First, retrieve the default font drop-down command using the designer's getCommand API. Next, remove the Arial font option, add a custom text option to the beginning of the drop-down list, and assign the updated command back into the designer configuration. This demonstrates how existing designer controls and drop-down menus can be customized dynamically. Create a custom dialog. In this step, we create a fully custom Spread.js designer dialog template. The dialog contains a text label and a range select control that allows users to select worksheet ranges directly inside the spreadsheet. After defining the dialog template, we register it using the Designer Register Template API, create a custom command to open the dialog, and finally add a new ribbon button that launches the dialog. This demonstrates how developers can build and integrate completely custom dialogues into the Spread.js Designer ribbon interface. Edit an existing designer dialog. In this step, we customize one of the built-in Spread.js designer dialogs. First, we retrieve the existing Format Cells dialog template using the Designer Get Template API. Next, we modify the dialog title and register the updated template back into the designer configuration. This demonstrates how existing designer dialogues can be extended and customized without rebuilding the entire interface from scratch. Enable and disable dialog controls. In this step, we create a dynamic custom dialog that enables and disables controls based on user interaction. The dialog contains a range select control, a text editor control, and a set of radio buttons used to switch between the two modes. Using the Enable When property, we conditionally enable specific controls depending on which radio option is selected by the user. After defining the dialog template, we register it, create a custom command, and add a new ribbon button that opens the dialog. This demonstrates how interactive and dynamic dialog behavior can be implemented inside the Spread.js Designer ribbon interface. Adding a custom context menu item. In this step, we customize the Spread.js Designer context menu by adding a new custom menu item named Show Alert. First, we create a custom designer command and define the execute function that runs when the menu item is clicked. Next, we register the command inside the designer context menu configuration array. The custom menu item is configured to appear when the user right-clicks a worksheet column header. This demonstrates how the Spread.js Designer context menu can be extended with custom application-specific actions and commands. Customize the built-in file menu. In this step, we customize the built-in Spread.js Designer file menu interface. First, we retrieve the default file menu template using the Designer Get Template API. Next, we add a completely new custom actions section containing multiple custom menu items and buttons. We then override the default file menu command execution logic to handle custom actions, such as printing the workbook and displaying custom alert messages. This demonstrates how the Spread.js Designer file menu can be fully extended and customized to support application-specific workflows and functionality. Adding a custom status bar item. In this step, we customize the Spread.js Designer ribbon status bar by adding a completely custom status bar item. First, we retrieve the existing Designer status bar control using the Spread.js status bar API. Next, we create a custom status item containing contact information and add it directly into the status bar interface. This demonstrates how additional information and custom UI elements can be integrated into the Spread.js Designer status bar to create more personalized spreadsheet experiences. To learn more about Spread.js or the Designer ribbon component, check out the demos at developer.meshius.com/demos.